Mastering the art of clear and coherent writing. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an extremely important aspect of improving your writing skills. We're focusing on measuring writing clarity and coherence. This is all about how to express your thoughts in a way that's easy to understand and logically structured. So, let's get started. Clarity in writing refers to how clearly and easily your thoughts and ideas can be understood by the reader. Clear writing involves simple language, precise word choice, and well-constructed sentences. The key is to convey your thoughts without causing confusion or misunderstanding. The first step towards achieving clarity is to know your audience. Your language, tone, and style should be appropriate for the people who will be reading your work. Secondly, strive for simplicity. Complex sentences and jargon can confuse readers. Instead, use simple, everyday language to express your ideas. Lastly, be precise and concise. Choose words that accurately represent what you want to say and try to keep your sentences short and to the point. Coherence in writing is about how your ideas connect and flow together. A coherent piece of writing is logically organized and sticks to one main idea or theme. It's like a smooth journey, where each point leads naturally to the next, making it easy for the reader to follow along. Creating coherence starts with a well-structured outline. This helps ensure your thoughts are organized and allows you to maintain focus on your main idea. Also, use transition words and phrases, like, however, in addition, therefore, and, for example. These guide your reader from one idea to the next, ensuring a smooth flow. Lastly, maintain consistent tense and point of view throughout your piece. This helps keep your writing cohesive and understandable. To measure the clarity and coherence of your writing, consider peer review or self-assessment. Have someone else read your work, or take a break and come back to it with fresh eyes. Look for any parts that are confusing or don't flow well. Ask questions like, is my writing easy to understand? Do my ideas flow logically? Have I stayed on topic? Is my point of view consistent? Also consider using writing tools that can help assess readability. These tools often score your writing based on sentence length, word choice, and grammatical correctness. However, remember these tools can only help to a certain extent. The final judge of clarity and coherence should be a human reader. And there we have it. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of clarity and coherence in writing and how to measure it. Remember, clear and coherent writing is all about making your thoughts easy to understand and follow. Practice makes perfect, so keep writing and applying these principles. See you in the next video.